Math Standard 8.ee.c.7. Sally is solving the linear equation 13 plus 4x minus 9 equal to 7x plus 7 minus 3x. Her final two steps are 4 plus 4x equal to 4x plus 7 and 4 equals 7. Select the statement that correctly interprets Sally's solution. Now this is an example of multi-step equation. Okay, so before we apply the inverse operation, as you can see, we have these two right here. The 13 and the 9 are both constant numbers. So let's rewrite the equation. Alright, so 13 minus 9 plus 4x equal to, then here we can just combine these two, so 7x minus 3x plus 7. Alright, I just simply arrange it so that you will see how do we simplify the equation. So 13 minus 9 is equal to 4, then bring down to 4x, and 7x minus 3x is equal to 4x plus 7. Now the next step is to apply the inverse operations. Now as you can see, we have the same coefficient 4. So from here we already know what is the answer. Alright, but we can still continue solving this equation. So in Sally's solution, she eliminated the 4x. So the opposite of positive 4x is negative 4x. So let's just follow what she did here. So this will be eliminated. So 4 equals 7. So 4 is not equal to 7. Alright, so these two are two different numbers. So therefore, we can say that this equation has no solution. So let's look for an answer that has no solution. So the answer here is letter C. There's no solution since 4 equals 7 is a false statement.